Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys what is the most difficult thing while trading in the stock market. Now what are this might not be just one thing, this might be multiple things while trading in the stock market. There are many difficult things that you better understand about the stock market so these we are going to I'm going to be explaining this to you guys in this video. So let's get started with the video. Now some of the things you should consider before that that are difficult in the trading are: number one is risk taking. Sorry about that. Risk taking. Yes, risk taking is also it is very difficult, not a kind of difficult, but it is very difficult because risk taking, most people are not addicted to it. Most people are not comfortable of taking risks. They just they want to make profits, they do not want to see losses. That's my case as well. I do not want to see losses. What I do is that if my certain stock goes in loss, I wait for it to recover back to its normal position and then sell the stock. It might take time, but I'm not uh, too comfortable of taking risk, that much risk. So, and that cost me, because not taking a risk will cost you. It is better that you take a risk in the stock market, small risks, not that much larger. Small losses, small losses, for small losses you will benefit from it, because small losses are not that much of a big to deal with. Only take risks of how much you can bear, how much you can tolerate. That is the one thing that you will take a risk. This From this you will benefit a lot. Number two is, what I will say is that patience. Patience, yes, patience is also quite difficult in the stock market. Now, waiting for a certain stock, waiting for a stock to for its prices to come to pull down, waiting for the stock, waiting for a greater entry in a certain stock. That's all. That is all are difficult. Waiting is difficult. Most people can't wait for the stock to drop in value, or most people do not wait for the prices to go up. Most people do not wait for the stock even for a year to grow, and that is long term investing. In long term investing, patience is the key. If you want to make if you want to do short term trading, that also requires patience, and patience is the key element in trading in the stock market. Now, trading patience is also important. Patience is also important because it will give you you will benefit from it a lot, and it will give you much more profits, but only if you are patient about investing at the right time, in the right, and make right entry points. That is all important while trading in the stock market. So, and that requires your patience, how patient you are about those areas, about waiting for a certain stock to drop in value or give you a great entry point. Enter at that point and sell the stock at a great at a good deal. So that all requires patience. The number third is no, not this one. I mistakenly that is FOMO, fear of missing out. This is also the most difficult thing, because fear of missing out, I would not say that this is not this is another thing, but I would mention it here. Now, fear of missing out. Let's say a certain stock drops in value. Now let me show you. And let's say you you say that at this point the stock is going up in value, and you immediately enter it at this point on the assumption that it might go up, and again it further drops down. So this is the fear of missing out. This situation, this emotion is known as the fear of missing out. Do not be feared about such stocks. Once a stock has gone up, it has gone up. Do not enter that stock at that level. What you can do instead is search for another stock, or wait for another great entry point, so you can enter at a great point and sell the stock at a profit. So that's what you can do at this point. Fear of missing out. Now the number fourth might, let's say, emotions. Emotions are also the most difficult thing in the stock market. Controlling them requires your it requires your uh, best control, that you should control your emotions in the stock market before investing in a certain stock. You should know how to control your emotions. You should control your emotions, because emotions will prevent you from investing in a certain part. It will say to that inner voice will come, uh, will raise its voice that this point, do not invest at this point, this from this point you will you will lose your money, or you will make profit, or let's say the stock reaches to a certain value and you want to sell it. Your calculation says that sell the stock at this point, and your inner voice tells you to not sell, it will go even further in price. So from that, you will also, it will also cost you. Emotions are the fourth thing. Now the fifth, I might say, would be investing. Yes, investing is also difficult in the stock market. Now, investing in a certain stock, coming up with a certain stock, doing your technical analysis, your risk margin, take profits, and all of that, that is not difficult. But investing, coming up with a certain stock, taking that decisions of investing in only in this stock. Why is this stock? Why will this stock grow in value? So that is also kind of important, because investing is difficult in the stock market. It is also said by the great billionaires and the millionaires that making money is easier, saving it and investing it is way harder than that. So according to them, I've learned it from them that investing is difficult, and that is the case with me. I failed to invest at a certain areas that are required to invest. So so sometimes investing is difficult. You should all overcome these areas. You shall overcome all of these five areas of where you are weak. Now mention in the comment section below what is your what is difficult to you in these, out of these five. So mention that in the comment section below, and I will be waiting for you. I'll answer to you these in the stock market. I will answer this to you in the comment section below. I'll be waiting for your answer to give me a positive reply of what is the most difficult thing for you in the stock market. If it's not out of these five, then mention of your own what is the most difficult for, what looks difficult for you in the stock market. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.